Hi, this is Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange in South El Monte, California. We're here at Westec, the Western United States' largest manufacturing event, showcasing breakthroughs in machine tools, production methods, materials, and management strategies. Westec offers demonstrations of the latest technologies by more than 450 international exhibitors. Whether you're a multinational enterprise or a small job shop, your business depends on the latest technologies and production methods to help your business grow. Sterling Machinery is here at Westec to help you determine the best applications and methods for your needs. So let's go take a look and see what exhibitors and demonstrators are here today to show us some of the newest manufacturing machinery on the market. Alright, I'm here with Bill Bailey in the Doringer booth. We're checking out some of their new cold saws. Here's a manual cold saw. We're going to give it a little demonstration. Go ahead, Bill.
This is our model D350, 350 millimeter saw blade, about 14 inches in capacity. The saw can cut up to 4 3/4 round, 4x4 square, 2.5 by 6 rectangular. The great thing about cold saws is it has a solid high-speed steel saw blade, hard to 65 on a Rockwell C, and it turns at only 54 RPM. So it's safer, faster, you don't get the dust, the smell, the sparks you get with an abrasive saw. We've got an American-made Baldar motor, 1,700 RPMs, 3.5 horsepower, and a gear reduction system to gear it down to 54 RPM. That generates the torque you need to cut through the steel. We've got some 1/2 by 2 3/4 steel that we're cutting right now. The Doringer cold saw is actually a milling process. We've got the guard up just to, for demonstration purposes. Normally the blade's completely covered by this double safety guard. You put the blade right on the material and just pull it down.
And it doesn't look like it takes a lot of pressure for you to be able to pull that down.
It goes through real easily.
It's very quick
It's making
cut.
a chip, it's a milling process. And you can see, you get very little burr, the piece comes off cold, no discoloration, no heat. You go right from sawing to painting, welding, or assembly. The saw miters up to 45 degrees left and right. You just pull the pin. There's a pop at 45 right. Anywhere else you gauge it down with the
different
gauge.
sizes.
If you want a 15 degree, 30 degree, you just tighten down this handle for any degree.
So it's got the stops already for the 45s for doing quick cuts.
If you want, you can. It's just a pin lock goes right in here. You just drill. If you cut all day, you cut 30 degrees, you just drill a pin lock.
Right
It locks automatically there. The system is all self-contained. In the top door, there's a chip dish that all the chips fall in, and in the bottom, there's a 7-gallon recycling coolant tank with an electric coolant motor. As I mentioned, the Doringer saw is completely American-made. We manufacture them in Gardena, California, just outside of Los Angeles. We put a 3-year warranty on the gearbox. The important thing of these saws is the gearbox. We have the longest warranty in the industry, and a 1-year warranty on the complete machine. They're faster, straighter, and cheaper per cut than a bandsaw, faster, cleaner, safer, and a better cut than an abrasive saw. Resharpenable saw blade, you get 1,500 square inches of cutting per sharpening. On this 1/2 by 2 3/4 abrasive saw, you get about 200 cuts per abrasive wheel. We'll get about 2,000 cuts per sharpening. It's about 1/10 the cost per cut of an abrasive saw.
This is very quiet. You can't even hear the thing running pretty much.
Even when it's sawing, it's real quiet. We've got a 12-inch machine. This is our 14-inch machine. Then we have a 14-inch machine with a semi-automatic push-to button, pneumatic vicing, and automatic, air over hydraulic power down feed. And then we got our fully automatic 14-inch machine. You program in, you want 5 cuts at 2.5 inches, 100 cuts at 3 feet. Push a button, it automatically feeds with a servo motor and a ball screw feeder system. The material, it cuts it all.
So the semi-automatic, you can tell it go ahead, it's going to go ahead, put the head down,
you
the
have
bicycle
to
shut.
manually feed the material. So you get a leg stop and like a feeder, you just feed it up to the
Feed it to
stop,
where you
push
want.
the 2 buttons, it automatically cuts it.
The head will come down, the vices will grip it,
Yep.
the head will automatically go back up.
Yep.
And then the only difference between this semi-automatic and the fully automatic would be it would have
Stock
a feeder.
feeder system.
Okay.
It's using the exact same power down. We've been making these saws since, we're at Westec. I went to my first Westec show in 1981. I was an extremely young man when I started this. We've got about 5,000 units out across nationwide.
And where are these manufactured?
Los Angeles, California.
Excellent. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah, all American made. Yeah, good strong saws.
Great. Well, I appreciate it, Bill. Thank you
Thanks
very
for stopping by.
much.
Not a
We've got
problem.
a lot of different exhibitors to look at here at Westec.
Absolutely.
We love Doringer machinery, so thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, guys.
Have a great day.
Thanks.
And what's the capacity on the shear on here?
10 inches and 3/4, 15 inches and 5 inches.
Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.